Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today I'm making a seafood salad. This is one of my dad's go-to recipes when he's trying to feed a small gathering. It's refreshing and light, while at the same time satisfying, making it a perfect go-to choice for summer gatherings or even as an elegant dinner. So, let's get started. Alright, so diving right into this recipe, you're going to want to boil 3 large eggs, and we're aiming for hard-boiled eggs in this recipe. And once they are hard-boiled, you want to remove them and place them in an ice bath. That really helps remove that outer shell. And then with the eggs, you want to remove the yolks and dice those into small pieces. We're also going to cook 16 ounces worth of rotini pasta according to its package instructions, and we're also going to add 1 tablespoon of salt to that water. You want to cook the pasta until it's al dente, and then once it's at that state, you want to drain it, rinse it with cold water, and set it aside. Next, we're going to prep our vegetables, and for this, all you need is 1 large green bell pepper that you want to first chop off the top and the bottom and remove that inner core, and then dice the pepper into small pieces. And similarly, we're going to need 1 large red bell pepper, slicing off the top and bottom to reveal the core that you want to remove, and then dice that as well into the similar size pieces. Now, in a large bowl, you want to add in about 1 1/4 cups worth of mayonnaise, mixing that with 2 tablespoons worth of yellow mustard until they're evenly combined. You also want to add in about 1 teaspoon's worth of Old Bay seasoning, as well as about ½ teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, mixing those into the rest of the dressing until they're well combined. Now you want to add in your cooked pasta, your chopped green peppers, as well as the chopped red peppers. We're also going to add 1/4 cup's worth of fresh dill that's been finely chopped, our diced boiled eggs, and give this bowl a quick mix until all the ingredients are well distributed amongst themselves. And now you want to add in about 8 ounces worth of imitation crab meat. I prefer the flaky style cut. And following that, you also want to add in 8 ounces worth of either lump crab or crab claw meat. Fold these ingredients into the sauce until everything is evenly coated. And to really boost that flavor, you also want to add in about 1 teaspoon's worth of salt. At this stage, you want to taste test this mix and season it with additional black pepper or Old Bay seasoning until it's just right for you. And just like that, you've made a seafood salad right at home. For a variation on this dish, you can always try adding some diced avocado to this seafood salad for a creamy twist that adds a burst of freshness to every bite. But as you can see, this is really easy to make. I can't wait for you guys to try this at home. And when you do, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. This is available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to link to that in the description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to help the channel out. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe as well. And feel free to share this recipe with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make a really tasty drink, perfect for getting your head in that vacation mode, an Aperol Spritz. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. You can always check out more on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.